What's the meaning of cross purposes? Cross purposes. Cross purposes.
Cross purposes. Cross purposes. Cross purposes is an idiom that refers to two or more people who have different goals or intentions, often unknowingly working against each other. When people are at cross purposes, communication can become confusing and conflicts may arise. For example, if a couple is trying to plan a vacation but one person wants a relaxing beach trip while the other wants to go sightseeing in a busy city, they are at cross purposes. Ultimately, their inability to come to an agreement may result in frustration and disappointment for both parties.